And they said unto him, Where is Sarah thy wife? And he said, Behold, in the tent. And he said, I will certainly return unto thee according to the time and life. And lo, Sarah
Hello
thy
everybody,
wife
I done
shall
made it
have a
across
son.
the world on my journey, all the way across the river, and now I'm on a cliff.
Now Abraham and Sarah were old and well stricken in age, and it ceased to be with Sarah after the manner of women. Therefore Sarah laughed within herself, saying, After I am waxed old, shall I have my Lord also. And the Lord said unto Abraham, Wherefore did Sarah laugh, saying, Shall I of a surety bear a child, which am old? Is anything too hard for the Lord? At the time appointed I will return unto thee
I'm on a
according
cliff.
to the time of life. And Sarah
I'm about to
shall
crawl
have
back.
a son. Then Sarah denied, saying, I laugh not, for she was afraid. And he said, Nay, but thou wilt laugh. And the men rose up from thence.
Y'all, I'm crossing the cliff.
Abraham went with them to bring them on the way.
Okay.
And the Lord
Look, it's
said,
a turtle.
Shall I
He's
hide
swimming. There's a turtle, y'all.
that thing which I do?
There he
And
is.
Abraham shall
See
surely
him?
become a great and mighty nation, and all the nations of the earth shall be blessed in him. For I know him, that he will
It's a little
command
bitty
his
turtle.
children and his household after him, and they shall keep the way of the Lord, to do justice and judge me, that the Lord may bring upon Abraham that which he hath spoken of. And the Lord said, Because the cry of Sodom and Gomorrah is here, and because their sin is very grievous, I will go down now and see whether they have done altogether according to the cry of it which is come unto me. And if not, I will pray. The men turned their faces from thence and went toward Sodom.
I rode my bike
But
here.
Abraham stood yet before them.
I'm far, far away, y'all.
Said, Wilt thou also destroy the righteous with the wicked? Peradventure, there be 50 righteous within the city. Wilt thou also destroy, and not spare the place for the 50 righteous that are therein? That be far from you to do that with man, slay the righteous with the wicked, and that the righteous should be as the wicked. That be far from you. Shall not the judge of all the earth do right? And the Lord said,
Bye,
If
everybody.
I find in Sodom righteous within the city,